The returning officer of one Shillong parliamentary seat, S.C. Sadhu, who is also the Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills District, said after the polling of the Lok Sabha election, the turnout percentage this time is much better. He also said the percentage of participation in the election in urban areas is very poor. He said that the involvement of people should be more and the citizens should put up more effort by participating. He also said the reach is more in the assembly election as compared with the Lok Sabha elections.
Come with the new concept of like people working outside the state, our youth study outside the state will have a chance of voting in a kind of online.
But when we compare with the previous Lok Sabha elections, previous parliamentary elections in 2019 or the previous elections before, particularly parliament election, the turnout is better. In fact, there is almost like 10% difference is there we can see. But still, as we discussed in comparison with assembly elections, like the participation of, there are many aspects. First is that the association of parliamentary elections with the people here. So that there should be more participatory exercises from the, in fact, all stakeholders is required.
In connection with the